All right, this is the John Deere. It's like a poly yard roller. I'm going to show some pictures at the end of what this looked like when I got it given to me. You can see these arms aren't 100% straight, but watch till the end and you'll see what this thing looked like. It was like a pretzel. It was all twisted up. I heated it up, straightened it out. I used those pieces of angle iron as kind of like a straight edge with C-clamps and heated it with a torch. Wire brushed it off when it was all cooled down and done. Then hit up the farm store today, got a little primer and a little John Deere green. Painted it up a little bit. You know, not really falling in love. It's just a yard roller, but you know the deal. And then it was missing the plug, so I bought that plug at the farm store too. When this paint's dry, I'll get the garden hose and put some Teflon tape around that. Fill this thing full of water, snug her up, and then a couple of my neighbors have been wanting to borrow this, so I'll let them use it, and then I'll get my tractor going, and I'll probably use it this year too. But yeah, basically the total investment, I don't know what the gas really cost, maybe $10 in oxygen and acetylene. I wouldn't even think that much, probably like $5, but that, and then maybe another $12-14 for a can of primer and a can of the correct John Deere green. So what's that like? And the plug too. Did I say that already? I might have $25 into this. I don't know what these go for, but I know you can't buy John Deere anything cheap. So it's fixed and should be good for years to come.